crafty friends, it's Caroline, and I am back today with hashtag National Coffee Day Crafts. This is a swap that I joined in on that is hosted by Crystal Rose over at VividlyOnPaper and Sharon from Cheap to Chic. And I'm going to have a link in the description notes below of all the participants and hosts. And my swap partner is Leanna from It's a Deal. And I'm so excited to be opening this. I haven't peeked it all yet, so I'm getting ready to open it up. I sent mine out to her. I hope she likes it. And we're all posting our swap reveals at the same time today at noon Eastern time on September 29th. All right, let's go ahead and get into this. First of all, can we just talk about how pretty this is? Look at this pretty paper. I don't even want to cut it. This really pretty tape. But I'm going to cut it into it so I can see everything, all the goodies inside. Oh my goodness, y'all. Look how cute this is packaged. This is just adorable. Let's see what's in here. Oh my goodness, this packaging is too cute. Look at this little to-do list, a latte to do. That's adorable. And then this is a really cute little tea towel. How do I take my coffee seriously? Very seriously. This is so appropriate for me. There is this really cute ribbon. How did I miss this? I didn't even see this at the Dollar Tree, and if I had, I would have picked it up. Look how cute this is. Here, let me open it up. Look how cute. Do you see these fox? And he has a coffee cup in his hand, and there's donuts. There's another coffee cup. This is just adorable. So stinking cute. And then she's got a cup. Leanna, your packaging is so stinking cute. Look at this. There's a little coffee cup in here, and then there is a facial mask, Americano facial mask. That'll be fun. And look at these sequins. Wow, these are so pretty. It's so coffee themed. It's perfect. And there's a little K cup in here. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. It's a mocha. Look at this sweet little coffee cup embellishment that she's made. Look at this absolutely adorable memory decks card. And on the back, she has her name and her contact information. And I'm not going to turn all that over, but let me read this from off camera. She said that her favorites are pastels, anything girly, mermaids, Disney, stickers, die cuts, bows, and embellishments. And that makes me really happy because I sent her kind of a pastel themed coffee stuff. So I hope she likes that. Oh my goodness, look how absolutely adorable this is. And then I've got all these little cut aparts. So cute. Look at this pretty little bit of embellishment. Coffee in the morning makes me happy. This is so true. And look at this pretty die. It's of a coffee or a teacup with the steam coming up. So cute. There's like a little luggage tag, but first coffee. How cute is that? And then there's a little card in here. Oh, it says, "Hi, Caroline. Hope you like what I created for you. Love meeting new crafty friends. Love, It's a Deal, Leanna." Oh, Leanna, thank you so much. I love everything you created. It's just beautiful. And look at this little calendar. It's a date calendar. It says, "This home runs on love, laughter, lots of strong coffee." I love this. This is adorable. And then we've got, it looks like some stickers maybe. Look at this cute closure too. The packaging is just so thoughtful. Oh, more dies. Let's see. This is a Panalisa Crafts die set. So cute. Coffee cup, coffee mug, coffee pot. Oh my goodness. And look at these beautiful stickers. These ladies are fabulous. Look at them. This sweater says Nap Queen. Oh my goodness. I love, love, love her clothes. So cute. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Leanna. I would have never thought to package things in the coffee bags, and that was so smart. Your packaging is just perfect. Oh, look, I've got some little socks that say "Need Coffee." If that isn't the truth, I don't know what is. These are so pretty. Look at these pretty stickers. They look like that, punch tin or press tin from like ceilings and stuff like that. And then I've got some more stickers over here. Adorable. And now let's move on to the whole theme of the swap, which was to make an embellishment book. And I really need to sort of apologize, Leanna. I'm an album maker. I make mini albums. And so I made an album thinking I could turn that into an embellishment book. and embellishments are bigger than what mini albums usually hold. So I was only able to put a few things actually in her embellishment book, and hopefully she can use that as an album. And then I made other packaging for the rest of the embellishments. But Leanna understood the assignment and she made a real embellishment book, and look how adorable this is. On the front, it just says coffee. There's a really wonderful little charm here of like a porcelain coffee or teacup. Isn't that so pretty? Look at her pretty flowers on the front. This is just lovely, just lovely. And then you open it up inside and look at these embellishments. And she's put them on here with some, temporary stick dots. So cute. And then look over here, we've got some rosettes and some handmade bows. Oh, these bows are so pretty. I didn't do handmade bows. I had store-bought ones. I was afraid they wouldn't turn out very well if I had handmade bows. Yours are great. They are really beautiful, Leanna. And then over here, look at these little, it's always coffee time. So pretty. A perfect blend. These charms are so cute. Look at those. And then on the back it says, with love, it's a deal. So stinking cute. Look at this little embellishment book. Oh, I love it. And just look at this wonderful memory decks card with these charms and this little barista. I love this so much. So this was the first time I've ever been in a swap like this. It was the first time that I've ever even made a memory decks card or now received one, which is so special. And I am very excited to have participated. I just love all of my goodies. Thank you so much, Leanna. This is amazing. And I hope that you like the things that I sent you. And I'm really looking forward to participating in more swaps like this. This was a lot of fun. And now that I sort of know what to expect, I've got all sorts of ideas of things I want to do. Please like and subscribe to all of the other participants. Their links are in the description notes below. Go check out their channels. Go see what I gifted to Leanna. Go see what the other participants are gifting each other. This is a really amazing group of very creative and very talented women, and it's so fun to see what other people make. I mean, look at these amazing things that she has made here for me. I'm so full of inspiration right now. I can't wait to start playing with everything. All right, y'all, that's what I've got for you today. I'm going to go grab a cup of coffee because this girl stays caffeinated. I hope that you're having a fantastic day. I hope you're being kind to yourselves, and I hope you're finding joy in your journey. Thanks so much, everyone. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.